You've got to find what you love. And that is as true for work as it is for your lovers. Your work is going to fill a large part of your life. And the only way to be truly satisfied is to do what you believe is great work. And the only way to do great work is to love what you do. If you haven't found it yet, keep looking and don't settle.
What is up, guys? RedPandaMining here, back at my second mining location. Today's a good day, guys, because you know why? This guy, this plug right here, guess what? I'm able to plug it now into this beautiful plug right here. You guys see this? Let's do it. Let's do it. Yeah, there we go. And it locks a bit too. There we go. The 240 plug, guys. The 240 volt plug is in. My electrician buddy came in. It took him about an hour or so to wire it up. That's all I need. For those electrician guys out there, tell me, is this code? Is this legal? Probably not. This is probably not legal either. Having the cable going like this, and then over here, here's the PDU, guys, the triplet PDU. This is gonna be awesome. Okay, so I actually ordered a longer L6P20 cable, extension cable. So I'm gonna extend this so that it's just like not hanging here. It's gonna go, I'm gonna make it go up and up to the ceiling and then back down to here. So it just won't be sitting like this. Okay, guys, so let's turn this baby on. This is the breaker that he put in. And let's go see if the PDU is up. And it is, guys. Look at that. See that? We can see the amps. Obviously, I got nothing plugged in right now, but that's the next step. So, got the rigs on the floor here. I was debating if I should move these two wooden rigs today into these aluminum frames, but I think I'm gonna do that next week. Today, I'm kind of running out of time, so. All these cables here. I gotta figure out my network. My network connection. So judging by all the cables and everything, and as well as my network connection, my router. The router in this place is not close by to here. I would say it's about a 50-foot run, Ethernet cable run, and I would have to go through the ceiling or something to get the hardwire down here. I think the best bet I'm going to be doing is I'm just going to keep using these power line Ethernet adapter through the power cables in the house. So I'm kind of sad about that, but we'll see how good that is later. Yeah, I really love what's happening here, guys. I'm excited. This fan over here is a, I forgot what size this is, but I picked this up at Costco for about 30 bucks, and that was a really solid deal about, I think, a couple months ago. I haven't used it much, but it's just sitting here, so I'll be able to use it if this gets too hot. And I don't think it will get too hot, but I got the fan there just in case. I know some of you guys, Brainwashed, Deadwood, you guys recommended me to get the fan. Luckily I have this one already, so we'll see what the temperatures are once I have it all plugged in. And yeah, you guys see my little test bench there. I'm probably gonna bring this back home to my other location. And then I got my little office here all set up with my Altered Beast on the shelf, Altered Beast. You guys love this thing? I love this game. And then I got, as you guys can see here, I brought my old PC here. This is my old 4970K, i7 4970K PC. And yeah, I'll be able to do some video editing here and monitor stuff from here. As you guys can see here, I'm watching CryptoNuffy. He's on Twitch. You guys should go follow him. Twitch.tv/CryptoNuffy. And yeah, he's streaming right now, getting his other rigs up. I think he's working on an 8-card rig right now. So you guys should go follow him. Look at him, look at him. He's working so hard. What's he getting here? What's his hash rate? Oh, 244 mega hash. Damn, damn. Go follow him, guys. CryptoNuffy on twitch.tv/CryptoNuffy. Oh yeah, guys, I forgot to show you. I ordered the Triplite C13 to C14 power cable. So this is for from the power supply of the mining rig to the PDU. So I believe this is a C14 plug. It's just a female end, male end, and this is the female. So I'll show you. I'll plug it into the PDU over here. It goes like so. So this end would go in like this, and this end will go into. I'll have the mining rig for one rig on this side. So that should be pretty good. Yeah, it's gonna have. I like that these are really short because there'll be less resistance. I'm not sure if that makes a difference, if it's like 2 feet to 6 feet to 100 feet. I'm not sure. What I mean by less resistance is how much wattage is going through, right? I believe the longer the electrical runs are, the more wattage, I guess, the more voltage it's going to use. Don't quote me on that. That's just something I kind of read online. I'm not sure if that's true. But for any of you electrician guys out there, let me know down in the comments if that's somewhat true or if I explained it wrong. If you can explain it for me better, let me know. So as well, with this PDU sitting right here and this cable going, I guess later on, we'll have a pretty short run down to here. Brainwashed Deadwood told me, I believe it's called impotence, something like that. Anyway, it's just the resistance. I was worried. I'm not worried now because it's pretty close. So I guess I'm gonna be having pretty tight, efficient electrical wattage going to the breaker system, to the main power system. So I'm excited about that. But guys, enough jibber jabber. It's time to plug all these in and get them hashing. They've been off for like 7 days. I've been waiting 7 days just for that little guy right there. I'm excited, guys. Let's get to it. Let's go. Let's do it. I got it all up, guys. I got it all plugged in. I already got one rig going, and it's mining Aeon right now. This is the 7x GTX 1070 3GB EVGA for the win cards, all Samsung memory. And as you guys can see over, let's go back here. How much? I can't see the amperage from here. But mining Aeon right now, it's using only 2 amps right now. Probably 2.3, 2.8 on the Aeon, on the G miner, on the latest version, G miner 1.3.1. Mining Aeon, it says it's using about 588 watts right now. So 588 watts divided by 120, yeah, that should be the amount of amps. Here's the souls. There's the temperature, 53 degrees, 57, 53, 54, 53, 58, and 46 degrees Celsius. It's been going for a good while now. As you guys can see, the souls is almost at about 968 souls altogether. And yeah, power usage very low. Super happy. So that's just the one rig, guys. I'm gonna get the other rigs up soon. But I just wanted to show you guys the networking that I got here. So I decided to do the the power line adapter. Internet over the power line through the house here. So I just got this TP-Link power line adapter, and then I got one cable, Ethernet cable going to a 5-port, just a simple 5-port gigabit Linksys Ethernet gigabit switch. Oh man, I need to get shorter Ethernet cables. I just had the long ones available because I had the rigs running off the other power line adapters that were farther from the wall. But now that I got a switch, I can probably get some shorter ones, which I do have at home. So yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. I'll have another video tomorrow just showcasing how much amps this PDU will take. I'm also curious to see how much extra amperage I'll have left after these 4 rigs are on. These 4 rigs are the all GTX 1060s. So if that one rig is only getting 2 amps so far, and this PDU can go up to 30 amps, 15 amp per bank, there's 2 banks, I could probably put a few more rigs. What do you think? Let me know in the comments, guys. Let me know. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Give you guys another update on the amperage. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Please like and subscribe, all that good stuff. Thanks for watching, guys. Please leave a comment what you think, and let me know what you guys think about this this receptacle here. See you guys later.